Are you overwhelmed by machine embroidery stabilizers? Do you ask yourself, why are there so many different types of stabilizers and how do I choose the right one? Well, I've got the solution for you. I am pleased to present to you my pocket guide to stabilizers. And be sure to watch until the end of this video where I share with you a bonus which will tie everything together quite nicely. I saw a real need for a comprehensive guide to machine embroidery stabilizers. Honestly, until now, any reference to stabilizers was brand specific and kind of confusing. This guide will clear up that confusion and simplify choosing the right stabilizer for every fabric, every time. So let's talk about what you'll find inside this book. It's a pocket-sized reference guide with 56 pages of clear and concise information and beautiful photos that you're really going to love. This guide is not brand specific, but more of an overview of multiple brands sorted by type. In fact, there are 5 different types that I will mention. Plus, this book is color-coded, which makes it easy for you to flip around and find the info you need fast. Are you ready for the bonus part? I've included a super cool cheat sheet that is also color-coded by the stabilizer type as well as your chosen material. All this information is wrapped up in a nice little bow just for you. So are you ready to simplify choosing the right stabilizer for the right fabric every single time? Then be sure to buy your copy now by clicking the link in the description below. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!